beautiful people, it's Bridget. Welcome back. Hope you're all having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Kinder Beauty box for March 2019. Now, we did the February box last month and you guys seem to really enjoy it, so today we're doing the March box. Also, they are sponsoring today's video. They provided me with this box and gave me an affiliate link down below, so if you like what you see in this video and you want to hit the link down below and sign up, I'd appreciate it, but of course no pressure to use my link. So let's go see what's in this box because I have no idea. Okay, so let's start talking about the box a little bit in case you're unfamiliar. Kinder Beauty Box is a monthly subscription service which costs $24 a month, and you're guaranteed to get at least $65 worth of value in the box. And everything in this box is cruelty-free and vegan, which is great because I have a cruelty-free channel, and a lot of things that you get in subscription boxes, you're like, I don't know if this is cruelty-free or not, but at least I know everything in here is cruelty-free and vegan. So last month they had a $74 value in it, and this box is supposed to be $82 worth of value, and then next month's supposed to be $100 worth of value, so it's always at least $65 minimum for $24 a month. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box because last month was pretty good. Like, I had some nice skincare stuff in there. We got a full-size Kat Von D product, and I have no idea what's in here, so I'm curious, just like you are. Let's get into it. One cool thing that I didn't mention a second ago is that this box and all of the packaging stuff used in the inside of the box is all 100% recyclable materials, which is awesome. I love that this brand is cruelty free, it's vegan, you get recyclable materials. That's really cool. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is the inside of the box. We're opening it together, and a smell came out of this box just then. I don't even know what that is. So in here we have the card which shows you everything that's in the box and also gives you the prices and descriptions of everything. I will leave all the retail prices of all the products on the screen for you so you know how much it is. And this is not what I expected to see when I opened the box. Last month it was just like red paper and a couple things. This is like a really full box. This thing looks a lot more natural than last month's box, so I'm curious. Like, I probably haven't tried most of these brands. So let's dip into the first thing, which appears to be, I don't know what this is. Okay, so it says this is from Soulmates. It is Palo Santo Wood Stick Bundle, known as the Holy Woods. It's said to increase relaxation, bring joy and harmony to the home. Whether you light them or simply place them around the house, they are certain to delight the senses. Retail price $4.50. This is it's random. It's pretty random. But it doesn't have too much of a smell. And if it brings relaxation, that's cool. A lot of people believe in crystals, so I'm sure this is something else people really like, and I've never heard of it before, but doesn't mean it's bad. Next up, this appears to be a bath bomb. Or this is my assumption. I'm sorry for assuming things. So this is the Kind Poppy, and it shows all of the ingredients on it. And then in here it is a bath bomb. This one is the lavender one, or you could also get the rose hibiscus. So this is a handcrafted bath bomb that retails for $6.50. I'm going to open it up a little bit just so we can see it, even though I don't want to get bath bomb everywhere because some of them are loose. Like, if you ever get a bath bomb and you open up the package and you're just like, ugh, it's everywhere. Alright, so it's still wrapped up, thankfully, and this is the bath bomb. It is just a beautiful white bath bomb, handcrafted, so that's pretty cool. Doesn't have too much of a smell through the packaging, but if you like lavender, maybe you'll like this one. Alright, so next up, I'm assuming this is where the scent came out of when I opened the box up. This is the Botanical Steam Washington Square Rose Petals, Lavender Buds, and Flowers. So this is 4 ounces. So it says to bring 4 cups of water to a boil, place 1 to 2 tablespoons in a bowl, pour the water over the blend, let it cool a little bit, and then put it all over your face. I've never heard of this before, so this is kind of interesting. I do like rose petals, but this is what this looks like up close, which is something I have never seen before. But I guess, get out of your comfort zone, try something new, Bridget. Don't be so weird. But yeah, I kind of want to open it a little bit. Let's see what's inside. So it's sealed, so I can't open it up and pull a flower out for you guys, but this is what's in the container. Alright, so next up, this is a mascara. Oh, yay! Makeup-y stuff time. Okay, so this is 100% pure. It is a natural and vegan mascara. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's like a little tube. And then I'm gonna wiggle on out the mascara. I like this packaging. That's cool. I'm gonna put this back together. I almost hit myself with that. So this is the mascara. It's nice, really silver packaging. It looks really cute. And yeah, I'm into it. I'm glad to get a full-size mascara. I told you guys I am done buying mascaras and eyeliners. I do so many unboxing videos that I'm like, eventually it'll come in a subscription box. So I'm glad to have this one. And once I try it out, I will let you guys know in my monthly favorites and fails video whether I liked it or not. Okay, so next up in here, we have a coconut cream. So this is a shea butter coconut cream. This is the packaging. It says a tube full of dreams. It is a coconut cream shea butter hand cream, which I like. I'm into hand creams. I think if I put them on my car, Daniel will just take them, and that's pretty useful for me. So, hold on. What are you doing? Azrael is all up on the table, eating everything. She was eating the paper from the box. Azrael, what are you doing? Azrael, do you like the smell? What's going on? Stop eating that. You can't eat that. Okay, so sorry about the interruption there from a very rude little girl, but this is the full-size hand cream. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. It's full size instead of just like a little sample, which is really cool. Okay, so lastly is a sheet mask. This is a Eve Hansen Beauty the Natural Way sheet mask. This is what it looks like. I'm super into it. I have been loving sheet masks lately. If I can try a new one, see if I like it. And especially because it's vegan, I think maybe it'll be playing well with my skin. I'm very allergic to certain skincare things. And sheet masks are one of those things that's whether I either love it or it's a disaster for me. So I'm excited to try this. And especially when things are more natural, there's less of a chance it's going to be some kind of weird reaction. Alright guys, so that is it for the Kinder Beauty Box unboxing for March 2019. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything in here is cruelty-free and vegan, as I said before. And some of these things in here are like a little bit weird. Like I wasn't expecting flowers and sticks in my box, but it's nothing like, oh my gosh, I don't want any of that. Like, it's something I'd be willing to try. I've been trying to be more open to new things lately, since I've been trying so many subscription boxes and stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think of it. My favorite things in the box are definitely the hand cream, the sheet mask, and the mascara. Those alone I think are worth the $24 for me. So thank you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye. I would like to thank Kinder Beauty Box for making this video possible, and thanks for Azrael's new favorite toy, because something about these sticks she really likes.